welcome in the video. I am Anavya and I'm gonna teach you about the basic fundamentals of sketching. Sketching is all about contour lines, proportion, light and shadows, composition and uses of light. All these things really enhance even a simple drawing of any shape. Sketching is directly related to lights and shadows as well as uses of lines because these elements plays a crucial role in conveying the form, depth and three-dimensional aspect of the subject that is being drawn. Here you can see how shadows has given me the depth in my simple sketches of shapes, providing me a sense of space and dimension in my simple drawing. These are a few of my sketches that I have drawn over the years. If we have to talk about what you're gonna need if you have to start sketching, for starters, all you need is a paper, pencil, eraser, and a sharpener. That is a kneaded eraser. It actually really helps if you have to add shadows in a sketch, or if you can change its shape with however you want to use it. And if you have a simple eraser, that can also work really fine. In sketching, breaking down the elements of nature into basic shapes is a fundamental approach that really helps us a lot to simplify complex subjects and to capture their essential forms. By breaking down the elements, we can establish a solid foundation for our sketches. This not only simplifies the process but also helps us in achieving accurate proportion and capturing the overall essence of the subject. In this course, we are going to learn about the composition, the lights and shadows, the uses of lights and shadows, the uses of lines, the perspective, the POV points, 2D POV, 3D POV, and everything. We are literally going to learn the fundamentals of sketching in this thing, and we will start from the very, very, very basic. I hope this course can reach to many people and we all learn something from this. Thank you so much for watching the video.